Hello everyone. As you know, from time to time, I buy things on Etsy. Well, not from time to time, I buy a lot on Etsy. But I'll do a review of what I get. And you know, I'm going to do an honest review. So I ordered from this shop Thread and Glue Designs. And she sent this little ATC she made. Isn't that cute? Look at that. Now that's creative. First person on Etsy to send something like this. Along with her business card, of course. But look at this. This is her freaking freebie. Have you ever gotten anything like this from an Etsy seller? No, I haven't. Look at this snippet roll she sent. Oh my goodness. Anyway, sorry if the video keeps messing up. Our power's in and out, so I might have to do this like 6 times. I'm going to try not to. Anyway, I ordered some trims from her. And looking at the picture, I said, yeah, it's worth that. Guys, it's cheap. Cheap, 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 cheap. Can you hear the little baby chickens running around hollering, cheap, cheap, cheap? So, you know, I wasn't expecting much because I didn't pay much. I want to show you this monster package of trims I got. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this, I am a repeat buyer. I will be. It was my first purchase from her. Oh, she tied it in little bows. Okay. So look, you even get to keep this. You don't have to cut it. Look at this pile. Would you just look at all of this? And again, listen for those little baby chickies. Cheap, 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 cheap. Oh my gosh. Not cheap quality. Oh no. This is good stuff. Look at this. Not at all cheap quality. Cheap pricing. So you better hurry up and go over and buy one so in case she sees this, she'll yank her prices up. No, I don't think she would. Look at this cording. Oh, love it. It's going to look good on a nature journal. And then you have it in this color too. Oh, look at this. Look at this big, huge piece. I mean, wow. Awesome, awesome kit. Awesome. Oh my gosh, just look at this big thing. I can see this on the cover of a boho journal or all kinds of things. Just all kinds of things. I love this little cording on the edge. Beautiful. Look at this. I mean, come on. Wow. I'm going to try to separate it a little so I show you everything. Did I show you this one? I don't think so. I mean, look at these trims. Oh my gosh. This is it's a dark blue, but it has a little design going right down the center of it. I'm sure the camera's not picking it up, but oh, it's gorgeous. And here's a green one just like it. Oh, stunning. Here's burgundy. Look at this cording with the little gold beads through it. Guys, if she has any more of these in her shop, you need to run and get you some. Just, oh, my goodness. Look at this. I love it. Y'all know me in pink, but this is pink and a very light gray. It is gorgeous. And you have your blue and brown. Look at this. Oh. Wow, this is like a pigtail cut off of somebody. So if you're a doll maker, here's you a pigtail. Gorgeous. I love every single piece in here. And this is the first time I've actually taken it apart because there was just so much of it. I'm still in shock. Look at this. Ah. I mean, seriously. Cheap, 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 cheap. And this one still hasn't even been just the very tip end of spray, but the rest of it's still intact. So you can keep it intact, or you can take it apart to have your little dingle-dingles. I am not kidding, guys. This just floored me when I opened it. First of all, the freebie. I mean, this is a lady who definitely wants to keep you as her customer. And she has just gotten a new customer for life from me, because this is freaking awesome. And cheap, 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 cheap. I can't get over how cheap this was. Guys, even in YouTube sales, I've never gotten this much for this low price. I'm not going to quote her prices on here. But I will go and get the link and put it in the description down below. You guys, you really need to check out her shop. Good buys and good deals and good stuff. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.